Friends. Today we will discuss about some concepts related to public distribution system. So first is there was a scheme by government that is National Food for Work program. So it was started in November 14, 2004, which was which gave benefit in 150 backward districts of the country. So collector was appointed as a nodal officer in this program at district level and who was performing the functions like planning, implementation, coordination, monitoring, supervision, etc. So collector was taking responsibility to provide food grains to all backward blocks of the country. Okay. So in 2004 to 5, the budget of this scheme that government has done expenditure of rupees 2020 crore, and also government has provided 20 lakh tons of food grains to all backward districts of the country, that is 150 backward districts of the country. So how is our public distribution system is working? Since public distribution system is revised, the policy was revised in 1992. So first is called revamped public distribution system, that is RPDS, in which 1700 backward blocks of the country were provided benefits of food grains. Second is targeted public distribution system, that is benefits is given to poor and non-poor, that is the people who are coming under BPL and people who are coming under above poverty line, below poverty line and above poverty line. And in 2000, Annapurna scheme, that is APS, was launched. That is the people who are too much poor, poorest of the poor, they were get benefited by the food grains. So the schemes are revamped public distribution system (RPDS), targeted public distribution system (TPDS), and APS, that is Annapurna scheme. And very important scheme is Antyodaya Anna Yojana. It was launched in December 2000 for the below poverty line families. So 50 lakhs below poverty line families were served under this scheme in June 2003, and in August 2004 2 crore BPL families, that is below poverty line families, were served. So government has fixed under this scheme, government has fixed the quantity of food grains, that is 35 kilogram of food grains will be provided to each and every family. For example, wheat will be provided at the rupees 2 per kg, and rice will be provided at rupees 3 per kg to the below poverty line families. So in further slides we will discuss about the more about public distribution system. Thank you.